Quan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cubes with planes. So a plane is a 2D flat surface like this, okay? And we're going to be using those to cut cubes. Kind of scary, but anyway. So let's cut this cube. And how do we make a square? Well, the easiest way is to just do that, and then this back. This is see-through cube. Now, like this. Now, like this. So, as you can see, we made a square. So, obviously, this is the easiest one to make. So yeah, it's weird. Anyway, let's make, and like the plane, where's my pen? The plane would look something like this. And you can color it in. Color. Okay, anyway. So now let's make a rectangle. So if you ever get an idea, please pause the video and try and make it. But how do you make a rectangle? Well, the easiest way is to do this. Cut like here. Cut down this way. I think you see where I'm going with this. Where's my pen? Cut this way, and again it's a see-through cube, and cut this way. Okay, that's how to make a rectangle. But this time I'm not going to draw the plane like I did last time. So how? Yeah, sure. This is kind of easy. Like four sides. Yeah, whatever. But how do you make a triangle? You might have already figured out already, but I'll give you a second to think about it. So, how do you make a triangle? Well, you could make a triangle by cutting this way, then cutting this way, then cutting this way, then cutting this way. And the plane would be like this. But anyway, so that's how you make a triangle. But how do you make a pentagon? It's a shape with 5 sides. So I'll show you how to make a pentagon. But I really encourage you, try this. Okay, here comes the answer. So first you're gonna cut like this. Then you're gonna cut this back side here. Hold on. Okay, so after that you're gonna cut on this back side here. Then you're gonna cut on this front side right here. Then you're gonna repeat on the other side. So, gonna cut up to up here. And then you're gonna cut this back side to here. And there, you made a pentagon. But how about a hexagon? I really encourage you to try this at home. But just in case you haven't figured it out, here comes the answer. Well, after I find my pen, there it is. So you're gonna first start off like this. Now you're gonna cut this bottom side. This. Now you're gonna cut up to this front side, like this. Now you're gonna cut on this back side, like this. Now you're gonna cut on this side like this, the back side. Now you're gonna cut on this front side like this. And ta-da! You made a hexagon! And of course, if you wanted to make an equilateral hexagon, that would be really hard, but you can try. But in the meantime, see you at howtodostuffwithethan.com, and see you next time in the next video. Bye!